Hi, my name is Rhonda. I'm supposed to tell you the highlight of my tour, but I have to say that pretty much everything that I've done has been absolutely extraordinary. It's been a fantastic journey, and I think that anyone who is interested in Tibet and the people needs to make a trip like this.
Hello, my name is Tina. I am from Australia. I joined the Australian Tibet Council Tour because I read its itinerary and was really keen on it. And I also realized that there are a lot of aspects of this tour that I wouldn't be able to do if I had come by myself.
My name is Eric. I'm from California, USA. The highlight of the trip for me has been getting to see the Tibetan people and the activity and the strength of the community and all the NGOs and all the younger people getting together to organize and really come together as a community to work for the Tibetan community and their plight in Tibet and here in Dharamsala. I encourage people to come on this tour and see Dharamsala, and it's been wonderful.